In today's video, I'm going to teach you to transfer an ISA out of Barclays Bank. By the end, you'll understand exactly what to do, why each step matters, and how to keep your tax-free benefits intact throughout the process. Start by deciding where you want your ISA to go next. This means choosing a new ISA provider that fits your goals, whether that's better interest on a cash ISA or a wider investment choice for a stocks and shares ISA. Take a moment to look at their rates, fees, customer service, and any features that are important to you. Picking the right provider at the start makes the rest of the process smoother. Once you've chosen your new provider, get in touch with them and request an ISA transfer. This is the key action that kicks everything off. Your new provider will give you a transfer form or an online request to complete. They'll typically ask for basic details about your existing Barclays ISA, such as the type of ISA you hold and your account information, so have that handy. The good news is that from this point forward, the new provider takes over the process for you. It's really important that you do not withdraw the money yourself. Withdrawing breaks the ISA's tax-free wrapper, which could mean losing some or all of your tax advantages and potentially counting the money towards your annual ISA allowance if you try to put it back. Let the providers move the funds directly so your ISA remains protected and compliant. After you submit the transfer request, your new provider will contact Barclays and arrange the transfer on your behalf. They'll liaise behind the scenes, confirm balances, and move the funds across. You won't need to chase Barclays directly, but keep an eye on updates from your new provider in case they need clarification or an additional confirmation. For timing, cash ISA transfers usually take up to 15 working days from when the request is accepted. If you're moving a stocks and shares ISA, allow up to 30 days, as investments may need to be sold and settled before the cash can move. During this period, there may be short windows when your money isn't earning interest or is out of the market. This is normal and part of the standard process. And that's it. Once the transfer completes, your ISA will be safely with your new provider and your tax-free status will be preserved. Keep your confirmation emails or letters for your records and review your new account to make sure everything looks as expected.